Hi, and welcome, all you potential growers out there. In this two-part series, we will be focusing on what I used to grow, anything from big chonkers to habaneros to cucumbers. Let's start with water-soluble calcium. In order to use your leftover eggshells, you will need to crush up your dried eggshells. Place them in a bowl, soak them in vinegar, and let it sit for 1 to however many days you would like. The chemical process will be taking around, I think it's 24 to 48 hours, somewhere in between that. Once the process is complete, you will skim off the top foamy layer on the sides. You can use that as your soluble whenever you need an extra boost of calcium in your plants. But we're not just going to throw away the rest, we're going to use it in the garden as well. Now let's get outside. Almost rotted away completely. It's got a nice little stench to it. EC readings off of this should be pretty good. So let's get some EC readings. Clean this bowl out and do the rest. After we are done cleaning out the container, I went ahead and slightly diluted the already broken down material from 4 months ago to have water to get an EC and pH reading on. Let's see what that EC says. Has an EC. Oh, nice little 600. Yep, right around 700 is top. Okay, 800. 5. No, that's 800. Yep. Alright, so we're at around 870 ppm. 890. 900 ppm. Alright. That's pretty good. I like it. Let's see what the pH does. 6.4, 6.5. 6.8. Yeah, almost 7. Okay. Good to know. Now, let's move all of that back here. Now that we've dumped it out, fill it up to here. Let's check EC and pH. Okay, diluted down, it's about 570. That's pretty good. We're gonna use this on the cucumbers. Perfect. Ooh, pH is a little too high though. Might just be the water as well. Alright, let's go feed the cukes. Get a good little waft of it. Gold. Gold, I'll tell ya. Let's grab some as well. Because they haven't had a feeding in a while. This one as well. And then everything is used. Nice. Now let's use this to determine how much ppm is still in that vinegar water. Vinegar eggshell water. eggshell water. And this is only the rest. We've already sifted off the calcium acetate that foamed on top. So let's see how much ppm this still has. It'll be interesting to know. Okay, that's undiluted at 2.8. 2.9. Okay, that's. Okay. Let's see that again. There we go. 1.8. Alright, that works for me. Let's see. The pH. It's going to be around 5.7 when it checks up. Yeah, 5.8. Okay. 5.8, 5.7. That's okay. Good. That's good enough for the plants. So, this is essentially a very good calcium fertilizer now. Awesome. Let's go feed some plants with our fertilizer. 1. Scoop of this. With an EC reading above 1,200, I would always advise you to water your plants after you've fed them and only use smaller amounts, since overfeeding your plants could severely nutrient burn your plants. Scoop, scoop, scoop. And let's do the same thing for the blueberries, and then we're done. Blueberry 1, blueberry 2, that's not looking so good, and blueberry 3, that's looking absolutely fucking amazing. If you've made it this far in the video, I appreciate you watching, coming out, hanging out, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and also that you've learned something from it, not always to throw away your waste all the time. If you liked it, let me know, and if you have any helpful tips for each and any one of us, please let us know in the comment section down below. This beaut. Same nutrient style. In the next episode, which is going to be part 2 of this 2-part series, we will be talking about what I do, how I compost, and we are going to set up a few experiments as well. So stay tuned. And as always, remember, if I can grow, what's stopping you?